Hello and welcome back with another tutorial video. So in this video I'll be showing you a solution of blank black screen on Streamlab OBS when you add display capture. So you might have faced a problem of blank black screen while you add a display capture source in your Streamlab OBS. So I'll be giving you a solution for this problem. So let's move to the solution. First of all, you have to go to the device manager section. So go to the Windows icon and right click on it. Go to device manager. So after going to device manager, let me show you clearly. We have to go to the display adapter section. So click on display adapter section and select the dedicated graphic card of your device, whether you have a PC or laptop. So click on the dedicated graphic card. I have a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphic, so I've selected my dedicated graphic card. You have to also select the dedicated graphic card of your device, right click on it and disable the graphic card. So click on disable and click on yes. So after disabling the graphic card, the Streamlab OBS closes. Now you have to open the Streamlab OBS. So let me reopen it. So you can see now the display capture source is working in Streamlab OBS. So this way you can fix the problem of black screen on this Streamlab OBS while you add a display capture source. So it will help you on streaming your display and recording your display. So after this you can re-enable your dedicated graphic card too. So let me enable it. So after enabling also, the display capture source in Streamlab OBS is still working. So you can now freely stream your display or record your display. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to write down on the comment section if it helped you or not. So if it does not help you, I will give you another solution and make another video. So don't forget to share with your friends who are also facing the same problem of blank black screen while adding display capture source in Streamlab OBS. So keep on updated, and if it helped you, don't forget to write on the comment section. Thank you.